How to use Grok AI image generator. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of Grok. Once you're over here, use your email address and sign up, or use your credentials and log into your Grok account. You'll be directed to this page. Now here, you're gonna find different options as research, create images, how to analyze and code. Set it to create images. Now go ahead and provide your prompt in detail. Make sure to include all the details that you want in your image. Then you can click on this arrow. Within few seconds, it's gonna provide you the image. If you're not satisfied with the image, you can again give a prompt. Or also you can use these options given over here. Just click on the option and it's gonna provide you another image. So let's select any of it. And you're gonna get another image. So this way you can easily use Grok AI image generator. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.